Welcome back, everybody. It's Bronson with the Epoxy Resin Store. Today I'm going to show you the best epoxy coating there is. Awesome. Today we've got from the Epoxy Resin Store, it's the best epoxy coating. Says so right on the bottle. Super easy to use. It's a single component system, so I have nothing to mix, no measurements, anything. I just pour it straight out of the bottle. I've got a weenie roller here with a 3/8 inch nap. 3/8 inch gives you the best result, so that's what I use. So first of all, we're gonna grab our blue tape here and we are going to de-lint our roller. All I do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna wrap it around my roller just like this. It's always harder when you're filming. All right, I'm gonna give that a little squish. Then I'm just gonna pull that off. See those little lint pieces? We don't want those in our final top coat. Ooh, 2 points, did you see that? All right, so people ask, why do I need a top coat? Epoxy as it is, it's super, super hard when it dries, particularly the super gloss that we're using. This here's a board, a sample board that we've made for our shop. Whenever I have somebody who has a countertop or a piece that's going to be used very, very heavily, we always want to coat it. For instance, I had a lady come in today and buy some countertops from us, and it's going in her rental property. So we're going to coat this. Renters tend to be a little harder on furniture than non-renters. So she wanted to make sure we had some good protection. So we're going to use this. So we got our 3/8 inch nap already de-linted, and we're going to pour this. It's a water-based product, so it's going to evaporate quickly in my dry Las Vegas heat. So I'm just gonna pour a little on here just like that. Like I said, it's a single component, and we're gonna just spread it out. Then I'm gonna go back and forth just like that. It's as simple as that. It's gonna leave me this nice satin finish. It dries nice and clear. So then I'm gonna pull back the second half just like that. So one of the things that I'm looking for as I roll this is the sheen. If you watch right here, you'll see that roller mark where I'm kind of pushing hard. I don't want to leave that. So I've rolled all one direction. I'm going to cross roll this just so my material is laid out nice and evenly. And this dries very, very quickly. So I do not want to keep rolling it over and over again. I want to get my material distributed evenly. And then I want to do a final pass with my sheen, and then let it go so that I have a nice finish and I don't leave any line marks in it. Those are the worst. I'm not pushing down on this. I'm a gorilla by nature, so it took me a little time to learn. So I'm just gonna pull, and I'm just barely gravity touching it. I'm gonna pull back all the same direction so that my sheen is set exactly the same, and cover my entire board just like that. And I'm done. I don't want to touch that any further. You noticed as I rolled from right to left, there was a little bit of a line, but as it settles out and dries, it's going to clear as one solid level. Now, one of the things that this does is going to do the ever so slightest amount of orange peel on it, but also leaves a very thick, dry, protective surface. So when my watch band hits it 1,000 times, or my ring, or my keys when I come home and throw it on the counters over and over again, or if I just have crazy kids with their Hot Wheels or anything like that, this is going to stand up to it. It's a very, very durable coating. If you want to take it off, let's say you put it on, your client says, I hate it. Well, you'll have to sand it off very aggressively. So in that situation, I have to use like a 100 grit, sand it off, clean it, and then either recoat it or put something else on, depending on what the situation is. But I love it. It's super easy to use. Pour straight out of the bottle. You're gonna love it too. Try it out. All right, thanks for watching my video. As you know, we don't ask for any money, but we do ask for 3 things. We ask you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so next time you can be the first to see our video.